The fact that I've only made $37 in the 2 hours that I've been on is the exact reason why I had to go and get a W-2.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah.
It is Wednesday, November 9th, 9:40 a.m. and I just picked up a Walmart Spark Sam's Club order, $37 and some change. 2 customers. I'm right by Sam's Club, so let's go make that money, honey. So it's kind of funny that it's Wednesday and it's really slow in my area on Wednesdays, and to be honest with you, it's been slow all during the week in my area. The only time I really make any money is on the weekends, so I know I've talked to you guys in the past about possibly getting a W-2, and well, I did it. I got a part-time, seasonal W-2 job just for the holidays at Target. What am I going to be doing, you ask? I'm going to be fulfilling the shopping orders overnight. It was the easiest process ever. I applied online, and then I received an email saying that they had kind of like the way Ship does it. It was like a virtual interview, so I had to answer questions and respond with a video recording, which was really intimidating, but hey, this YouTube channel has helped me prepare for it, right? Yeah. I messed up the first one. You only get 3 tries for each video, and then after the 3rd try, no matter what you put in, that's what goes through, and that's what happened to me with the first one. So then the second one, I answered it, and then at the end, I finished the first one. So after I fixed the first one, for like the 3rd, 4th, and 5th questions, I just first take and I sent it through. So I received a phone call later that day. That was on Monday, and I didn't recognize the number, so I didn't answer it, but she left a message. And so I called her back yesterday on Tuesday, and she offered me the job without ever meeting me, just based on the video interview. And she offered me the job. It is $18 an hour, but with the shift differential, it's going to be $19 an hour. It's not the best money, but it's going to be some guaranteed pay for a little bit during the holidays, just to help me out. I'm still going to do gig work whenever I can. It's like 10 at night till 6 in the morning. I might have to do like Saturday, I think I have to do orientation from like 6 to 11, like with somebody, but we'll see how it goes. If I don't like it, then I won't do it. I still have freedom and the option to say, hey, this isn't working. It's just seasonal, so once the holidays are over, once the new year comes, I'm done with it. Unless, of course, they offer me a position, then I'd have to actually think about it. But I get a discount at Target, which is great, especially during the holidays. And I'm curious to see how it's going to work. I mean, like I said, Monday through like Thursday have been dead in my market. So I've been lucky if I've been making like $500 a week lately, and it's basically what I make on the weekends is all I make. And that's partly because of my schedule. I had to do it. I had to. As much as I don't want to go work for somebody else, you're pretty much on your own overnight. There's really nobody like looking over your shoulder. The only thing I didn't really like is from midnight till 5 a.m., you are locked in the building and you cannot go outside. You cannot go outside. I'm wondering, like, if there was an emergency, like, what would happen, but hopefully there won't be any emergencies between 12 midnight and 5 a.m. So yeah, so I plan on when I get out of work, 6 a.m., I'll go right home, get the kids up, get them gone to school, maybe go home and take a nap afterward, or I don't know, play it by ear. So we'll see. But right now, I'm still going to try to make as much money as I possibly can. So just the other day, I received an email from Walmart Spark saying that they missed me because I haven't done Spark in ages, because I turn it on every day and I don't like the orders that are coming up. So they actually gave me an incentive, which I think is just for me. I don't know, like if you're in the Tampa market, let me know if you got it too. But it basically is giving me an incentive. I think if I complete 7 orders, I think it is, between now and Sunday, I will get like, I think it's $90. So I'm like, all right, you know, if something comes up, I'll do them, but I'm not gonna go above and beyond to try to take whatever just to get it. I should, but I'm not. If you notice, it's windy. We have another storm coming. It's hitting the opposite side of us, but apparently we're gonna get a lot of backlash from it. They're closing businesses already for Thursday and Friday. It's not even hurricane season anymore. Whatever. All this gabbing I'm doing, I could be going and picking up my order. So let's go get it.
Okay, so he put some these 2 orders, right? I discussed them out.
Okay.
This one came up. I did not send that out, but it won't. I was trying to dispense it, and it said I wasn't able to dispense it. It kept loading.
But it's not on my screen.
But it's not on her screen, so I took a picture of it and shoot on it.
So that took a little bit longer than I would like, because I only have 2 orders, but in their system it shows that I'm picking up 4 orders, which I would do it if the price was right. But hopefully my earnings that they showed me and promised me doesn't change. All right, so we are off to the first customer who has the big order, which it's really not as big as they say it is. It's a leave at door, and we're going to be late, so I'm gonna send out a message to him just letting him know that there's a delay, and that's already pre-done in the app, so I can just press send. It says we are 9 minutes away, so let's go deliver this first order. So we got that order dropped off. It took me 2 trips to deliver it. The next customer, the smaller of the 2 orders, is a 20-minute drive, 9.3 miles. It's also a leave at door. It's due to be delivered at 10:27, but according to my GPS, we're not gonna get there till 10:45. So the whole delay at Sam's Club and then the double trip here at the first customer caused a major 20-minute delay. So I did send out the text letting the customer know that there was a delay, and we are on our way. It has been 45 minutes since I dropped off that order. And I'm sitting here waiting. I got kicked off of Uber a couple times, which is definitely a huge problem. Like, I don't like not knowing that they kicked me off for whatever reason. It kind of pisses me off, you know? But I did get a call from Target. My background check cleared, which I knew it would. So I am starting on Saturday at 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. for orientation. But the fact that I've only made $37 in the, 2 hours that I've been on is the exact reason why I had to go and get a W-2. Despite my feelings, I don't have much of a choice. My market is oversaturated and the customers just aren't tipping. It is what it is. And the ones that are tipping, somebody else is getting those orders. I can barely get on DoorDash. So, whatever. Play it by ear. Okay, so I got an UberEats order and it's stuck on the screen. I can't believe it. This has never happened to me before. It is legit stuck on the screen. I'm going to have to close out the app in order to make this go away. So we literally only went out for 2 hours and made $38.86. We drove 30.2 miles for $19.43 an hour. And this is why I had to get the W-2. See you in the next video. Stay safe. Peace out.